Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to unbox and then review for you this really cool bicycle, motorcycle, also scooter mount for your phone by Syncwire. It's a really cool design to make sure your phone is safe, but give you access to your phone while you're biking around, or again on a motorcycle or on a scooter. Which is probably how I'll be using it the most. But first you have the clamp, and this is the clamp that's going to go around the bar to make sure that stays tight. And then you've got your typical ball joint for the mount itself, so this will hook onto the bars. And then the all-important mount itself, and here you go. You can see nice back, rubberized back to be grippy. And then you've got this like tray. It's like a rubberized tray. It's at a slight slant on either side. And you've got that on the top and the bottom. You can see on the top it's solid to go all the way across. On the bottom, you've got an opening here in case you needed to plug in a charging cord or something, you could. So very, very cool. You've got this lever here, which I'm assuming is for locking and unlocking. So when you pull this up, and that holds the phone, and then when you close that, it's locked, so it won't open, which is great. And then you've got your ball joint here to connect this to it. Of course, there is also a little manual in the box to show you how to use it. But I'm going to demo it for you as part of my review. So this is what comes in the box. Let's jump over to the review and demo. So how did this little guy perform in the real world? Excellent. It was great, awesome, as I would expect from any product from Syncwire, because I love their products. I have a lot of Syncwire products, and they always make good quality stuff. And this bike phone mount is no exception. Now, I did try it on the bike just to see what it was like. I'm actually going to use it on my scooter because I'm more of a scooter guy. I have an electric scooter, and I was able to use it on there. Now, that scooter doesn't have a lot of a handlebar, as you can see, and you do need to have a section of handlebar that this will fit over in order to put it there. But it had enough of a handlebar for me to be able to put it on there and position it in a way so that when I'm riding and I look down, I'm looking right at my phone screen, which is perfect and awesome. But I did also put it on the bike just to see how it fit on the bike, and it's great. I mean, this clamp with the twist, I love it because you're able to get it on there really tight. The rubber grips on the inside grip really well so that it's not going to shift or slide on you even if you hit bumps. And this, the phone mount itself, the way it's designed is brilliant. I mean, my phone is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it's like the biggest phone out there, and plenty of room. And the way it cradles it, the way it has that rubber on the bottom, the way that it's it rises up on the sides, it holds it in there perfectly. It's not coming out of there. The lock that locks the top so that it, it's unlocked, it opens, but you lock it and it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, that is great. Once you put your phone in there and you lock it, it's completely enclosed. It's not going anywhere. And even if you were to fall, or not fall, but well, I guess fall, if you were to drop, you ran off the road and your scooter fell down, the way your phone is inside of here, it also protects your phone because, I mean, obviously the screen could be exposed, but I mean, it's overall, like if it hits on the side, if it hits the ground like this, it's not going to get to your phone because these sides protrude out past where your phone is. Just really, really excellent device. Very, very well made. Works great. Very simple, but you're able to get it into the position you want. You're able to put your phone in there and have it secure and know that it's secure, and works great on the bike, works great on a scooter. I don't have a motorcycle, but I imagine it would work good on a motorcycle too, as long as it has a bar that this can clip down onto. That's the main thing. But really, excellent product by Syncwire. If you're looking for a mount for your bike, for your scooter, in order to keep your phone handy and have it accessible and be able to see it, but keep it safe and be secure, know it's not going to fall out, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. I have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.